Glam Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on Surprise Sundays, I've decided that I'm going to be doing friend mail and mystery boxes, which I have a lot more coming. I'm just a mystery box junkie, and on today's video, I have for you 2 mystery boxes from Etsy. So without further ado, let's see what I got in these things. Okay, guys, so for this first mystery box, I'm going to read from my iPad so I don't mess anything up. But this mystery box says that you get a small or medium mystery box filled with oddities and curiosities. That piqued my curiosities, just saying. So it says buy a small or medium box and it will come mailed with antiques, oddities, weird and handmade items, and more. Okay, a great gift for those missing shopping and for someone who wants a surprise. So this one here I paid $15 for, but what stinks about Etsy, it's not like eBay and it's not like Amazon. You always have to pay shipping, but I want to buy from these small businesses, and I understand that they can't afford to, foot the bill for the shipping. So you always have to pay shipping, but sometimes it's really expensive. So I kind of feel like some of them are a little bit high on their shipping, but this one I paid $15 for the box itself, and then I had to pay $10 in shipping. Then of course there was tax, so my total was $26.82 for this little box of oddities. So, here's my box. It's kind of small. Feels like there's a good bit in there. But, yeah, let's just, pop it open and see what they got in here. All right. Oh, my. They weren't kidding. Okay. So, here's what I see when I pop it open. Let me just try to find where my address is on this box so I don't flash it to everybody. But this is what I see. Do you guys see the little monkey head thing? What the heck? Okay, so they weren't kidding about oddities. So let's just, start with this. Awesome! I could craft with this. Perhaps for Halloween. I don't know. But there's that. Oh, this one is going to be fun. All right, I think anyways. Okay. Oh. Well, they could have cleaned it up. This one's covered in like hair and dust and stuff. Yeah, looks like it's been sitting in somebody's toy box or something for a while. But it's a cheap merry-go-round. So, yeah, and it's covered in, like, hair and dust. Like, dude, if you're going to send this stuff to people, at least clean it up. I'm just saying. You could clean it up a little bit. But there's that. Okay, so this is a gorilla. He's also dirty. I understand antiques, guys, but, I mean, at least clean the stuff up before you send it to people. So, here's this little monkey guy, like, I don't know what I'll do with him. I don't know. Maybe I'll spray paint him gold and put him somewhere in my house. All right, let's move on. Little people kangaroo. This stuff is filthy, guys. Look. There's the kangaroo. Sorry, there's the front of the kangaroo. And then there's the little pouch. And it says, like, little people right here. But, dude, this stuff is dirty. I mean, it's just outright dirty. Okay, so, I mean, here's a bracelet that looks like it was, like, glued onto something, and they took it off. There's that. Okay, I am not sure. This is, like, a poorly made pennant thing for your, it's like jewelry. I think I would fill this with some resin or something and try to make it look nice. I don't know if I can even make it look nice. We'll have to see. Okay, so then we have a spoon. Oh, the spoon is pretty. Looks like a collectible spoon. That's pretty. So that's not a bad thing to have in here. But, it's the best thing so far. Okay, and they didn't even wrap it. Just saying. Oh, I caught it. Oh, God. There's something in it. Okay, so we have an egg. And there's, like, I feel something in there. So, we have to... Oh, it's just more eggs. Okay, so it's like one of those, see, just more eggs. So it's like one of those, what are those things called? The Russian dolls, only it's like the egg form. Okay, cool. All right, so let's see what else we have. This is just like a little bear. It's Boydstown Village, though. People like these things. So, I mean, that's cute. Cute little knick-knack bear there. Whatever. Okay, let's see. All this stuff is so little. I think these are just some random seashells. I think is what we have going on here. So, I mean, that's cool. You can use it for decor and stuff. So, whatever. Ugh, that's not even worth showing to you guys. Okay, so some of this stuff is wrapped up though. Okay. Japan. This thing's cool. Looks like a salt and pepper shaker. I mean, it's cool. Whatever it is. What I feel like. Okay. But, see how it says Japan? Sorry, see if I can get that for you guys. It says Japan right there on the bottom. Yeah, I don't know if that's like anything or whatever, but you know, cool. Oh, it's a cute ET bag. So we have an ET bag. It's cool. It's cute. Nice little collectible bag. I'm pretty sure there's nothing in it. You just get the bag. Okay, so a Buckeye. I can go in my backyard and get these. I do live in Ohio, which is the Buckeye state. Okay, awesome. All right, there's like a lot of little stuff in here. That's just paper. Oh my God, you guys, they could have cleaned this stuff up. I'm going to sanitize my hands when I'm done with this unboxing. What the heck? So there's this. I mean, they could have cleaned this stuff up. I am just saying they could have cleaned it up. All right. So let's see what else this other little stuff is. So I can just kind of show you guys everything that I got in this box. There's a rock. Just saying. Another rock. Awesome. All right. This is, ow. It's broken. Whatever it is, it's broken. So that's what it says on it. And then, like, it's broken. So, just saying. All right. A rock. A seashell. Awesome. Okay, there was something that was wrapped up in this little paper here. So, let's pull that out, shall we? Oh, that's kind of cool. James Kent Ltd. I don't know if that's anything. It's made in England. It's pretty, though. I mean, that is a really pretty ashtray. I don't smoke, so I could use it like as a trinket dish or something like that. But there's what it says in the back of it. So, yeah, I dropped something that is insignificant, so I'm not even worried about showing it to you guys. But that was that one. Was this one worth $26.82? In my opinion, no. I was going to say no, but let's just say no. Okay, so, yeah, let's hope the other one's better. Let's dig into this next one. Okay, guys, before I move on to this next one, really quick, this is what fell out of that other one. So this is just a little something that was on something, and that's it. But I just want to show you guys in case you're curious. Okay, so for this next one, it was $24.99. It is from a company called SuaveCollections, and this is what they claim about this one. It says, in this mystery box, you have a 1 in 5 chance, a 1 in 5 chance, guys, to win $100. What? Okay, so if you do not win, you will get a box worth $20 or more. So I paid $24.99 for a chance to win $100. But if I don't win $100, I only get $20 worth of stuff. Awesome. So you could try your luck and see if you will win $100 or a $25 mystery box. Good luck. Okay, so this is the deal, guys. This one was $24.99. The shipping was $4.75, which I feel is fair. And then the tax was $2.15. So overall, I paid $31.89 for my chance to win $100. Awesome. All right, guys, let's dig in. I mean, let's just dig in. Do I think I won $100? That would be a negative. But here you go, guys. Here's what it came in. So let's just see what was sent to me. All right. So I'm just going to pull everything out. Yeah, everything's out. All right, guys. So it looks like I have a Lilium green tea mask. All right, guys. Anti-acne and detoxification. Not mad at that. Here you go. Not mad at that at all. So that's fine. I mean, I will definitely use the mask. So there you go. That's cool. And then we have an aloe vera mask. It's I don't know. There you go. Bam! There's the next one. Okay, so that's not bad. All right, and then we have a pomegranate mask. So same company. All right, so I'm not mad at that at all, guys. I use masks, so this is totally fine. I'm happy with the fact that they sent us a mask. All right, so in here, it says, love forever. At this moment, the heart is racing and a love from the family has begun. Cool bag, guys. I like the bag. Too bad it's like, you know, kind of messed up. But let me move this out of the way so I can show it to you. Kind of a cool bag. Would be a nice reusable kind of thing. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Love forever. At this moment, the heart is racing. Oh, so it says the same thing. They're roses. So, okay. Let's open it. Can I open it? How does it open? What's the dealio? Like, how are you supposed to open this? Oh, like this. Oh, it's got a necklace with it. Okay, so here's what it looks like when I opened it up. It's like this. These are definitely fake roses, so there you go. Just some fake roses, which is fine. I mean, whatever. Okay, so let's pop open the necklace. Looks like that's all I got, guys. Wow, did I lose my you-know-what on this one. But this is super pretty, though, guys. The necklace is really pretty. You know, there's the necklace. So, I mean, it's really pretty. But I definitely, you know, whatever. I mean, is this $25 worth? I guess so. But I'm not, like, you know, super excited about it. So, the necklace is pretty, but, you know. Yeah, so it just has, yeah, how you can package up the necklace to give it to somebody. Okay, so, I mean, I don't know, guys. It's, you know. Alright, guys, it's a hit or a miss with these things. I mean, I thought it was kind of cool that they give you, like, you have an opportunity to win $100, but was what I received worth the $32 in total that I spent? No. I don't think that it was. So I really lost my little tush on, well, it's not little tush, but I definitely lost my tush on these two mystery boxes. Bags, whatever you want to call them, but that's the chance you take when you get things like this. It's definitely a hit or a miss. This was definitely a miss for me. So, I mean, just tune in next time and see if I actually, you know, get something good. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? Okay, try it again. Okay, so here's my next one. Here it comes in this bag right here. And this one, actually, I need to start again because I wasn't ready.